What is up, guys? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, back with another video. Hope everyone is having a good day. But in today's video, I'm giving my guy a high fade. So as you can see, I'm setting in my bald line, and that's my first step. Here I grab my box shaver and I begin to bald out that bottom half, making it razor bald. Here, I grab my Babyliss clipper and I'm going up about ½ an inch with the lever fully open. Here, I close the lever all the way and I'm bumping up that bottom line halfway. And then in the next step, I will show you how to blend out that bottom line completely. Here, I've opened the lever halfway and I'm going up all the way to completely blend out that bottom line. If you see any dark spots, make sure you open, close your lever, just do whatever you gotta do to get rid of that line. Make sure to only use your corners though. Here, I grab the number 1 guard open and I go up about another ½ inch, keeping it consistent throughout the whole head. Here, I have the lever halfway and I'm softening up that bottom line. I will then close the lever all the way to soften it up even more, but I'll have to go back to my half guard to remove it completely. Here I went back to my half guard, have the lever closed all the way, and I'm using the corners to flick out that line that I still see. So that half guard didn't erase that line like I wanted it to, so I grabbed my lever all the way open and I'm using my corners only to flick out any dark spots I still see. Here I have my 1.5 guard all the way open and I'm going up about another ½ an inch. Here I've closed the lever and I'm attacking that bottom line that I just created with the 1.5 open. Here I have my 2 guard closed and I'm flicking out that top bulk remaining at the top. Here I put my half guard back on and I'm just doing some detail work. I'm opening the lever, closing the lever, just playing with it just to fix any dark spots or imperfections I still see. Here's just some more detail work with the lever all the way open. Here, my client wanted his beard trimmed, so I'm just trimming it down to the desired length. And here I'm just going to blend in that beard to that fade. Here guys, I had to lower the chair to do some shear work, but that was pretty much the cut guys. It's a high fade. He liked it, I liked it. It was a pretty clean cut. I ended up giving him those lines on the side. And yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.